Welcome to the release of energetic attachments and cord of light sovereignty breathing ritual. These frequencies 417, 639, and 852 Hz support release of old energetic attachments, restoration of the heart, and alignment in your sovereign light. Let's begin. Make sure you sit or lie comfortably with your spine aligned. Now inhale deeply through the nose for a count of 4, feeling your root and your spine anchor into the earth. Now hold for 2, sensing stability, and exhale slowly through the mouth for a count of 6. Imagining old cords or attachments loosening and dissolving into the ground. Allow yourself to do this a few times before we move to the next. And now we move to the heart harmony breath. Place one hand on your heart and inhale through the nose for the count of 5, visualizing soft green or pink light filling your chest. Hold it for 2, whisper inwardly, I am love, and exhale gently through the mouth for the count of 5. Imagining your heart light forming a protective and radiant boundary around you. Do this a few times before we move to the next step. And finally, now is the crown sovereignty breath. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Inhale for 6, drawing in golden white light from above. Hold for 3, whisper inwardly, I am free. And exhale for 6, releasing any lingering ties that are not yours, sealing your aura in sovereign light. Do this a few times. And now, beloved, say with me this affirmation. I release all attachments with love. My heart is whole. My spirit is free. And remember to return to this practice whenever you feel called to clear, heal, and return to your light. Namaste, beloveds.